Thanksgiving Cricut Craft Ideas 2023, Part 1. It's officially Thanksgiving crafting season. Whether you're planning to host an intimate family dinner or throw a bash, the possibilities are endless with Cricut. Here's Part 1 of Thanksgiving craft ideas you can try. Place cards. Step 1. Open up Cricut Design Space and upload a design or create one. Step 2. Resize it. Click on Shape, select a square, then place it to cover the part of the design you do not need. Step 3. Click on Slice and delete the sliced results. Repeat the same steps if required. Step 4. Once the design is ready, click Make it. Reposition the design on the mat and click Continue. Step 5. Click on Browse All Materials, search and select the material to use, then click Done. Step 6. Place the material on the cutting mat and smooth it down using a brayer. Step 7. Load it into the machine and start cutting. Step 8. Once done cutting, unload the mat and peel off the design and the material. Step 9. Get a piece of burlap, cut it to size and then paint the clothespin using a wood stainer. Step 10. Write the name on the card and assemble it. Decorative Throw Pillow. Step 1. First, create a design or upload one to use to Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Once the design is ready, click Make it. Turn on mirror, then click Continue. Step 3. Place the vinyl shiny side down onto the mat and smooth it down. Step 4. Select the material, load the mat into the machine, and start cutting. Step 5. Once it's done cutting, unload the mat and peel off the vinyl. Step 6. Cut away the excess vinyl and start weeding. Step 7. Preheat the easy press. Grab the throw pillow cover and place it on top of the heat press mat. Step 8. Place the vinyl on top of the material and press it for 40 seconds. Step 9. If the design is big, make sure to press evenly in every part. Step 10. Once done, peel the backing sheet off. Serving board. Step 1. Open up Cricut Design Space, click on Text. Step 2. Type in any text you want to, then change the font from the font drop-down menu. Step 3. When you're ready, click on Make it. Set the settings and cut the design. Step 4. Unload the mat, peel off the vinyl and cut off the excess vinyl. Step 5. Set the wooden serving board and weed out the design. Step 6. Place the transfer tape on the vinyl, burnish it down, peel off the backing sheet and then place the vinyl onto the serving board. Step 7. Peel off the transfer tape and make sure that the design is adhered well to the surface. Step 8. Grab the wood burning paste and a paintbrush, then apply a thin layer of paste onto the design. Step 9. Peel off the stencil and use the heat gun to apply heat evenly to burn the design into the board. For more such help and information, visit us at www.manimaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.